Hi guys, good morning everyone.
I catch good anything. I catch a fishy good.
So ayun guys, nagsundo kami ngayong araw. So medyo kami na late. Nagalit pa yung aking husband kasi nga late na daw. Where are you? I'm here in the airport now. Hi. Nasa airport na siya guys. So nasa bahay pa kami.
Is this Robinson?
No, it's not Robinson.
Pass by, sir.
We used to be here too, right?
No, honey. That's a hotel.
The hotel?
Yeah. So, ang nagsundo, ang aking gwapong apo. Ayan. At my mommy. Ayan.
Yung aga niyo pa umalis kanina doon.
Hindi po, nagalit na nga po siya kasi late na kami.
The boss.
Dali mo. Dali mo, ani, ha? Daldal ka dyan, ha? Sige. Daldal yan.
She's magandaan, pogi.
Oh, it's a ratour,
Bulan, ring. Wow, okay, ha?
Wow.
Hindi siya napagod.
Okay, good.
Sanay na. Hindi siya napagod sa biyahe niya.
First time? Ma'am?
No,
second time here, yeah.
We used to come here a lot with my wife. Always come here.
So, sinundo namin siya guys sa airport. So, pauwi na naman kami sa bahay. Medyo na late guys kasi nga medyo maulan. Medyo
Last time, honey,
yes.
That NDC, 4 things I had to correct. Now everything is approved, only one, except one. One is
my police clearance.
Uncle's affidavit, but we gotta consider that with your police clearance together could be finished, clear.
Oh, okay. And I get already my police clearance,
I will send it.
We can send on the NVC.
Yeah.
Right. You get rest first, and we eat.
Gusto kayong daanan bago mag-ano.
What do you wanna eat, honey? So we can buy there in the Siksikan in the road. They have the market there, so we can buy the fresh one fish if you want, or the vegetable.
Fish will be fine.
Huh?
Fish will be fine.
Fish? What kind of fish you want? Pupadaan tayo kay tatay dyan sa... Daan tayo kuya dyan sa may Siksikan, kuya. Opo.
Yellow
Thank you.
croaker? No yellow croaker.
I don't know if have, but we need to check.
Dito ma'am, sa New Market, mas ma-okay ba doon sa Siksikan?
Saan tayo?
Sa New Market, ma'am, dyan sa San Jose.
Doon tayo punta. Sige po. Ayan, dadaan muna kami guys sa sa supermarket kasi bibili kami ng maulam.
Because they have been passing through pedestrians.
Maming ikaw na magdababa. Hindi ko alam kung ano gusto niyo mo. Ay kaming bababa. Natural. Kaya siya mamili kung ano gusto niya. Hindi ko alam kung ano gusto niyo mo.
New Market.
What do you want to eat, honey? What kind of fish you want?
They don't have a yellow croaker?
I don't know. I want to check if it has a yellow croaker there.
We have hot pepper.
Huh?
Hot pepper. Hot pepper.
Hot pepper? What hot
No,
pepper?
hot
The
pepper.
powder? Hot pepper. Powder or liquid?
No.
Ipakala sigurong isda.
The fresh one, sir? Hot pepper?
No, not the fresh one. Already. So.
Honey, you see hi to my vlog.
Huh?
You see my vlog. Say hi to my vlog here in the camera. Hi.
Hi. Hi, Le.
Hi guys, kamu ah. Hi guys.
Hi. Hi, guys.
Ayan guys, so ka-arrive lang ng aking husband. Baka na may jet lag pa yan.
Land, honey.
Honey, you need to get rest first.
Tonight, after I rest, tomorrow is okay.
Yeah, we will see because it's still raining. So always raining. So we will see.
Bilang na siguro na yun.
Cigarette for hotel, for young brother, honey.
What?
Yeah, cigarette.
Diyan ka magabang dyan?
May gulay kasi na pinili doon.
This is your fish. Ito na fish ka dito.
Fisherman.
You are fisherman. Saan?
Dito, pang-adobong puset.
Magkano siya?
40 po.
40.
Ano sir, radish? Radish po.
Thank you.
300.
Diba may ano na ganun? Ate, magkano sa sigang?
Ano yun, ma'am?
Ang sigang?
Pork?
Oo.
Sabi naman.
Gano'n, oo. Ang sigang. Huwag masyadong malaki. Section. This is meat section. The bank there. Yung bangko mo daw nandyan sa balde. Dito tayo guys sa meat chicken station. So dito may pork din guys, mga slice.
I think the pastor is single.
Yeah.
I don't know. If you want in the ministry, you gotta marry. So. The older brother smoking, right?
Oh, look at the tatay. He's not smoking, I think.
Who?
Tatay, the driver,
Oh,
tatay.
yeah, he's good. Good man.
I look at he's not
Yeah.
smoking.
No.
Di ka nagasigarilyo tay?
May pero may mother room talagang smoker.
Ito na ayan yan.
Dari atol ata ya rin. Taon.
Ayun, tatakbo pero tawo. Asan?
This one
Halit ako
is
pasakay mo.
long time. No, I remember still they work on the road.
Kaya sabi ni Ayang kalakan gawon iti habali.
Still
lang.
Why so slow? They're lazy.
May nawat din bandirin sa so kaway.
Yeah, main.
Okay, we were here before too.
Where?
With one?
Yeah, you remember the Welcon?
Yeah.
Yeah, Welcon.
This is a closed one, huh?
I went there yesterday.
Where was that?
Kung buy some buy some because I'm renovating my inside the house, inside, and for the toilet also. And the City Hardware over there, other hardware, the big one. I bought some PPR hose, telephone shower. What is that? Two-way, faucet.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you
Change
know
everything.
something.
Huh?
You know something.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Later on, I'm an electrician already. Later on, I'm a carpenter. I'm a technician.
Expert.
Oh my God! Everything you need to know. No need to be lazy. Everything you need to know. This time, no need to go to fishing there on the bridge, okay?
They are not every day.
We're busy. We're not going there.
When we're busy, I'm not going.
We're not going. Later.
Yeah, if we're not busy.
You need to wait my decide if I.
First. I know, honey.
We do the priority, very important first.
Gotta go to the
Other land.
And I have to.
They said El Nido no have water there, Daddy. Oh my God.
What?
No water.
What happened?
In El Nido, they said it's dirty the water there.
Drought?
I don't know. They said if you wanna take a bath, take a shower, they said they no have water there.
Oh my goodness.
Where you can get the shower then?
Oh, that's true? How come?
I don't know. They said that you need to buy some water and then you just shower.
Oh my goodness. How much water needed for a shower?
I don't know.
How much buy?
That's always the problem in El Nido.
Oh my goodness.
I think they said they planning for close for the meantime for cleaning. I think, I don't know.
Is there only one hotel? So many hotels supposed to be? No.
There's a lot of hotel there, but my brother said he said in one night is 7,000 per night.
How much?
7,000 peso per night.
7,000 peso?
Yeah, per night there.
Wow,
But with the swimming pool there, and then they have the restaurant inside, so no need to go out. You need to find somewhere, so you just stay there inside the resort.
But you gotta pay though.
Yeah, 7,000 rent from the room, and if you wanna eat in the restaurant, so you need to pay it.
Oh, 7,000. How much is that?
Almost $120.
$120?
Yes, US.
Okay. It's okay.
For how many days?
Maybe we just go one day, but it has to be a water day. Without water, cannot shower. No.
1 day is okay.
Yeah. The important thing is, this famous place. I went to be there. I've been there.
Everybody's go there, but if you are very sensitive, you know. But me, I can stay anywhere.
So that is
As long the water is clean.
place,
I can sleep anywhere as long the water is clean. Han, I need to be sure that the water is clean.
Oh yeah.
And then the room and bed is clean. Even it's very
Sure,
simple.
the hotel room is clean.
Simple is okay as long it's clean.
Right.
Just because you are in a tour, you're tourist. So
Should
no
be.
need to choosy. As long the food and the water that you eat is clean, you need to be sure that it's clean.
Yeah, they are clean.
There's a lot of fine apple, mommy, huh?
Apple?
Everywhere have a fine apple everywhere.
Pineapple?
Yeah.
Pineapple tree?
I eat. Yeah, I eat the pineapple fruits.
In your mom's house also pineapple tree there?
Pineapple fruits.
Pineapple?
Fruits.
Fruit?
Yeah.
Is there?
Yeah. I eat the 2 pieces already. I have 1 left there.
Oh yeah?
If you want, I want to peel the skin. Slice for you.
I drink one juice yesterday in our airplane.
This is fruits, Daddy. No need to blend. This is juice. It's just a fruits. Slice. After eat, you can eat a slice from pineapple. Fresh one.
This is not a bus station?
Yeah.
New bus station, right? Yeah.
That's right.